Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Truth Shots with Kapil. Today I'm gonna shift gears. I'm gonna talk about something that you are all very interested in. Liberals. Liberals. We all want to be one. We all claim to be one. We are nothing if not liberal. Liberals believe in equality. Liberals fight for women empowerment. Liberals fight for LGBTQIA. Liberals fight for African Americans if you are based in the US. Liberals fight for Muslims. They fight for Dalits if you are based in India. Liberals stand for each other. They believe in the basics of human rights. Liberals want to understand why a terrorist became a terrorist. Liberals want to support everybody who has ever been oppressed, suppressed, or exploited. Liberals are the true cornerstone of our society. Liberals believe in the freedom of expression, in the freedom of speech, in the freedom of choice. Liberals teach us sympathy. They teach us empathy. They tell us how to be more humane. And I love all of this. Does that mean I'm a liberal like most of the viewers here? Hell no. Don't get me wrong. I am a liberal in a very different manner, which is why I will always be at odds with what are called as liberals today. To begin with, for me, liberal means open. Open to consider, open to listen, open to agree, and more importantly, open to disagree. Liberal means having an appreciation of the other person's viewpoint because they are coming from a different reality, coming from a different set of experiences, not a wrong view of the world, just a different view of the world. Liberals mean being non-belligerent. Don't get me wrong, definitely non-conforming, definitely aggressive, but aggressive to the openness, not necessarily to their point of view. Liberal for me means equality, not reservations, not quotas, pure play equality. Liberal means equal opportunity for everyone, for everybody. I will talk a little more about equality in some of the later episodes. Today, it's going to be all about liberal or openness. To illustrate, liberal for me gives an opportunity for a woman to stand up and say, I am comfortable not just with the clothing that I wear, but with being a housewife. I don't need to be a working woman. I provide at home and I am empowered. Yeah, I go to parties. I do what I love to do. I have freedom. I am empowered. Once again, I am not endorsing, absolutely not endorsing this as the viewpoint for how women should be. I'm just saying for women who today get up and say every housewife is disempowered, I just don't believe in that. That's a personal choice. That sort of choice, that sort of openness, that sort of ability to listen to other people, to agree to disagree with them is what I am talking about. For me, it's as simple as, or it is as direct as some women who want to be a pilot or somebody who wants to run for president. Liberal is definitely standing for Black Lives Matter, or standing for farmers' protest, or standing for Shaheen Bagh. But liberal is also respecting point of views of those who don't. Point of view of those who disagree with them. Liberals is against violence, whether it is physical disruption or whether it is blockages, whether it is during Black Lives Matter or whether it is during the raid on the Capitol. It is in this aspect of being liberal that most who claim as liberal fail me today. Liberal cannot be about shutting somebody down by shouting. Liberal cannot be about public shaming. It's having a very strong set of ethics, but an acknowledgement that says, my ethics are my ethics, none of your ethics. I will keep following my ethics. You can keep following yours. I'm a very strong believer in what Voltaire said. I disapprove of what you say, but I will defend to death your right to say it. These Truth Shots with Kapil is an opportunity for me to put across my point of view, to put across my beliefs, my ethics. There is absolutely no expectation that you agree with them. There is absolutely no expectation that you will support them. And I'm always going to be up for a healthy debate. Debate to illustrate my point of view, Debate not to violently shout you down. Debate to try and make you understand my point of view. Or alternately, debate to try and understand and appreciate and agree with your point of view. I will specifically choose topics where we will have disagreements. I will specifically choose topics where we will probably have to disagree. And that's what Truth Shots with Kapil is all about. Let me use a quote from the movie The American President. You want free speech?
Let's see you acknowledge a man whose words make your blood boil, who's standing center stage and advocating at the top of his lungs.
That which you would spend a lifetime opposing at the top of yours.
You want to claim this land as a land of the free? Then the symbol of your country cannot just be a flag. The symbol also has to be one of its citizens exercising his right to burn that flag in protest.
Show me that. Defend that. Celebrate that in your classrooms.
Then you can stand up and sing about the land of the free.
Or a sovereign, democratic, socialist republic. With that, keep coming back every Friday at 7 p.m. for the next episode of Truth Shots with Kapil. This is Kapil Gupta signing off. Thank you very much.